I just climbed up that hill, and this other random lady and Ed and I are doing this. This isn't a hike trail. We just want to see the waterfall. Look at these rocks. This is not a hike trail. I love it. We love waterfalls. Okay, I gotta go this way. I mean, wow, look at this magical place. This is amazing. Wow. There's Ed. There he is. That's where we were. Woo! I'm so happy. I'm gonna be careful where I step. It's a long way down. Wow, look at Ed. Look at this moss. It's a fairyland up here. I think a lot of people come up here. Ooh, look at that. So cool. Hey Tom, if you're watching, this is right near Mom and Dad's house. Wow. Look at this. This is amazing. This isn't even a touristy thing. It's just the woods with a waterfall. Who wants to go swimming? Right there. Hey, there's Ed. How did he get over there? I think maybe he went like this, which is kind of scary. See? It's just like a ledge right here, see? Okay, I'm gonna be careful and make sure where I step is safe. Oh wow, there's holes. Oh wow, look at it. He's a nut. He's a crazy person. Oh wow. Look up there. It goes so far down. Wow, look up there.